Welcome back to our series on Thirukkural. Today we will explore chapter 4, which talks about the power of righteousness. Let's dive into the second verse of this chapter. Rectitude is the most precious possession. There is nothing more pernicious than straying from it. This verse emphasizes the importance of upholding righteousness in our lives. The word rectitude refers to moral righteousness or correctness in one's actions and behavior. The verse states that it is the most valuable possession one can have. Straying away from righteousness, on the other hand, is described as pernicious, meaning it is harmful and destructive. This could lead to negative consequences not just for oneself but also for society as a whole. It is important to remember that righteousness is not just about following rules and regulations, but also about having a strong moral compass and doing what is right, even when it is difficult. That's all for today's episode. Join us next time as we continue exploring Chapter 4, Song 2 of Thirukkural. Thank you for watching.